Here's the next step in the process after you take the tires off. Use the wire wheel on the end of a grinder. Got a couple different ones that I was using. Basically just take all the rust and scale and dirt off of it. That's what they looked like before. Pretty gross, nasty. Then you spend a little bit of time on it. Comes out like that. They still need to be cleaned. Also did the inner edges where they meet the tire. Got all that rust out of there. Haven't done the back completely yet, but I'll hit that one more time before I paint it. I need to get in these little crevices a little more. Probably do that by hand with some sandpaper or something. And then try to get these things painted today so I can get the tires on them tomorrow. Get them on this thing. All right. All four have been wire wheeled all the way around, front and back. They've been cleaned, and then they've been hit with the etching shit to stop the rust from coming back. I let it dry overnight. As you see, they look a million times better. The backs of these things, way better. Once they all dry, they'll be ready for the next step. But it's imperative that they're fully dried before you put the rust stop stuff over the top of them, because you will encapsulate whatever moisture is in there and it will rust all over again. Alright, first put the wheel. I've been doing them upside down. I don't know, it's been seeming to help the tire go on there easier. And I cut another couple pieces of tire. It's put right there to kind of sandwich it and to help protect the freshly painted surface. Crank this sucker down on here. Grab this.
Then just got a little bit of lubrication on there. More is better for sure. You also want to lube up the tire on both sides around the bead. This definitely makes the installation process a lot easier. And make sure your white wall or whatever, if it's directional, make sure it's going the right way. Then you just kind of give it a little bit of love. The first side goes on easy, and then the second side, you use this here end. In theory, one end is supposed to sit on there and ride on the wheel, and the other end is supposed to keep the tire on there. I feel like you can only go so far with this one before you end up having to do it the old-fashioned way. Plus, I'm noticing this shit is scraping the hell out of the wheel. So if you love your wheels, or if you just painted them like I did, probably not a good idea to do this on the face of the wheel. With this thing, the OG way. So basically, push it on there.
And that's how you put it on. Now you just gotta loosen the sucker up. And fill it up with air. Or in my case, I gotta still put the valve stem on, but that's how you do it. Wasn't too bad. I'm not a professional. I haven't done it in a long time, but it can be done. All right, this is pretty much the last step. I should have did this before I put the tires on, but it's not that big of a deal. Just kind of reach that inside of there. This is gonna be kind of hard to do with holding the camera. Let's see, can I sit this right here? Maybe it'll stay, maybe it won't.
Everyone ready to go to Africa?
Let's go to Africa.
You need to go. I'm dropping you off to Boy Africa.
Tatiana's in here driving us on the bus, and we're on our way to Africa. So this is the actual tool for this.
Boy Africa. Put that on.
Basically, you just screw that on there like that. Apply pressure until it pops on through, and then next thing you know, you're good to go. New valve stem installed, ready to pump up.